Hey, what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage Dubois. Welcome back. I got contact lenses now, so I'm going to be trying those off and on. Got a new face mask, wanted a good seal around it with a respirator built in, so that way the glasses won't interfere with that seal. So that's a little bit different. Hopefully doesn't cause any issues, but we will see going forward. So today we are taking the leftover piece from the fire vase that I made not too long ago. So this is Sycamore. I want to turn or try to turn a box of some sort, hollow form. And then I've got this awesome piece of curly walnut that Todd over at Todd Heritage sent me. Hopefully that shows up some of that curling, but I kind of want to use that for the lid. I think the contrast will look really cool. So let's see what happens. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that fun little project of the spalted Sycamore vessel with the curly walnut lid. First of all, big shout out, thanks to Todd over at Heritage. Put a link to his channel right up here. For sending me that piece of walnut. That's an absolutely amazing piece. I used most of the piece for a curly walnut dish that I'll put a link to that video right up here as well. If you want to go look at that, that was an absolute fun piece to make as well. But we have our finished project of the spalted Sycamore vessel with the curly walnut lid. It's a nice tight fit in the lid, so that makes me happy. Got a little bit of character at the bottom with the 3 rings and such, and the logo burned in really, really well on the piece. So had a lot of fun with it, really enjoyed it, and I'll put some nice pictures up at the end. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it the thumbs down. Either way, leave a comment down below, please. I do appreciate those and use those to grow and learn, as well as keep interacting with you all, because without you all, we wouldn't be here, so we appreciate it. If this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing, as we're closing in on 850 subscribers, working our way towards the 1,000, and keep going from there and just see how much fun we can have. So at any rate, like I said, I'll leave pictures up at the end, and we'll catch you next time.